Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide apps without any app. Alright, let's begin. If you want to keep some apps private on your phone without downloading any third-party app, most modern devices including Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and others come with a built-in feature to hide apps. So, in order to hide apps without any app, you have to follow these steps. First of all, unlock your phone and go to the Settings menu. Depending on your phone brand, navigate to the home screen or display section. On Samsung devices, you will find an option called Hide Apps inside the home screen settings. Tap on Hide Apps and you will see a full list of installed applications. From here, simply select the apps you want to hide and confirm. Once applied, those apps will disappear from your app drawer and home screen. You can still access them later by searching their names in the search bar or by unhiding them from the same settings menu. If you're using other Android devices like Xiaomi, Oppo, or Vivo, you can look for App Lock and Hide apps under Privacy Settings. For example, on Xiaomi, go to Settings Apps, App Lock, Hidden Apps, and then choose the apps you want to hide. On Oppo or Realme phones, open Settings or Privacy, Hide Apps to activate the feature. This trick works in 2025 on almost all updated Android phones and doesn't require you to install any additional software. It's simple, safe, and built directly into your device. And that's it. So that's basically how you can hide apps without any app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.